Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings. And of course I'll show you both options, and I'd like to begin with the quickest option. So let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter the code. And the code for the IMEI info is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way. So as I said, by using the settings. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work, then you will still be able to check those numbers. So let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And here let's scroll down to find the status. And as you can see right here, after scrolling down just a little bit, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, so we can find them here. And if it comes with the serial number, we have to find it. So as you can see, you can find the IMEI info in the status, but if you'd like to check the serial number, you have to come back to this section and enter the software information, because the serial number is on the 3rd position here. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.